Today we will be looking at a gold trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be looking at a gold trading strategy. So before we go into the strategy, let's go ahead and go over the numbers to see if it's even worth it. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 26 winning trades. We got 24 losing trades. Now this strategy is a continuation of the top 5 indicators, and so the source video listed out 5 different indicators. We've been doing a series on those to test them to see if they are in fact good indicators. And so like most of the strategies or indicators that they outlined in that video, the risk reward was 1 to 1.5, and so with a risk reward of 1 to 1.5, if we were risking $100 per trade at the 24 losing trades, that puts us at $2,400 at a loss. But on the winning side, if we were gaining the $150 per trade at 26 trades, that means we got $3,900 total in the winning side, which means that after our losing side, the total gains would be $1,500 altogether. All in all, it's not a bad strategy at all. So let's just go ahead and take a look at it here real quick. So the main indicator is going to be the UT bot indicator, and so you just go in and type UT bot, and it's going to be the one right here by Yo Adrian there. And then the other one's just going to be a simple EMA, an exponential moving average set on a 200 period. And so the setup on this is when you get a sell signal and price is below the EMA, that is a short trade signal. When you get a buy signal and price is above the EMA, that is a long trade signal. You set the stop at the last swing high or swing low, depending on what direction you're going. And so a short trade here, we'd be targeting the last swing high for our stop. And then again, a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. You see that on this one, price came down really nicely there, got us to our take profit. Now this was on the 1 hour chart, and it was on the gold spot. There is what we tested it on. And so like I said, all in all, a pretty solid strategy. If you could trail some of these moves were just monstrous moves that would have gotten you a lot of gains in your account had you taken some of these trades. So all right, that's it for this one. We finally landed on a winning strategy. I promise I'm not just posting every losing strategy and none of the winning strategies, just so that way I can keep announcing our strategy to everyone. I promise I'm being fair, but there's a lot of deceit in this industry and a lot of videos that have just garbage claims to them. And so I'm hoping to weed some of those out to keep some of you viewers out of trouble with them. So with that being said, we do have a profitable trading strategy with Forex and with crypto on a lower time frame than this one. If you are interested in checking that out, it's a proven tested strategy, especially on Forex. We're constantly improving it and testing it, modifying it, and so on. You can find a link to it at the end of this video here. The thumbnail will pop up with that video, and so I highly suggest you check that one out as well. So like I said, that's it for this video. We're going to cut it here and move on to the next video.